Hey everyone, it's Norm here from International Motor Cars, and in front of us we've got our beautiful 2016 Tesla Model X. Now today I want to do a video for Tesla owners or anyone who's genuinely curious what happens if your Tesla goes dead. So the first thing I just want to point out is this car is not dead, this car is fully charged, but I'm going to show you guys the process as if this car was dead. So first thing you're going to need is you're going to need a flathead screwdriver. And down here at the bottom, on, at least in North America, the driver's side, there's normally a black panel here that covers. You can see it over on that side. Obviously, this owner has had this problem happen before. So you're gonna take your screwdriver and you're gonna just put it down at the bottom and pop this out. That then is gonna expose these two red cables, which you're gonna feed your screwdriver through, and carefully do that, and you're gonna pull with all your might, and there you go. Once you pull that, that is gonna open your front trunk. So that is the emergency release to open the front trunk, and then this back panel here, yeah, it just pops off nice and easy. Very simple, actually. So under this main fuse panel on the driver's side, there's two little pull tabs. You're gonna pull that up and that comes out nice and easy. And this terminal here is your positive terminal. And of course you just need to ground it to a negative. So there is actually a negative over here on this side, right there. Or you can ground it really where anywhere you're comfortable, but that is the positive terminal. That then should give you enough power to open the door and go to your charge screen. Oh, press your charge screen up there. Open your charge port. And of course, hopefully your vehicle is inside near an electrical plug. So you can plug it in and start the very slow process of charging your car. But that right there is how to boost your Model X. Obviously put all this stuff back in place. Super simple to clip in. This piece as well is very simple to clip in. No special tools required other than a flathead screwdriver and a little bit of intuition and a little bit of muscle. Close that up. Close that up. Oh, we'll try one more time. Close that up. And let your Tesla charge up until you can either have enough battery power to comfortably drive or until you get to a supercharging station. All right, so that is what happens if your Tesla goes dead and how you can very simply boost it, get it going again, and pretty simple process. Like I said, just need a flathead screwdriver and a little bit of muscle pulling on that pull cord. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you guys have any questions, you can let me know below, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.